Last March, the COVID-19 pandemic hit us all, and schools were repurposed virtually overnight. So for Penllergaer School, we made sure that we were able to have good communication with our parents as well as our staff. Even though staff are working from home, we made sure that our children could access electronic devices. So we delivered devices to homes. We supported parents and families with meals, free school meal parcels, any additional information that they needed, not necessarily around the virus, but just for their family well-being. So, for example, a microwave was delivered, we've helped plumbed in washing machines, we delivered board games, packs of cards, dominoes. So it wasn't just about delivering educational packs or online learning. We wanted the well-being of the family to be as a priority for us, and have that communication with the children just to make sure that everything at home was going as smoothly as possible under the circumstances.